What's up, guys? I just got my Apple Watch from Best Buy. Just wanted to do a quick review on this. There it is, Apple Watch Series 3. And I just wanted to try this one out. Let's see how it looks. So I'll go ahead and open it right now. Let's see if I can get a good angle. I'm in my car right now. Let's see. Let's see if I can find something. I'm really excited about this. Tried it out the first time. Let's see how it looks. Alright. Alright, there it is. Let's put this off to the side. So the first thing on this box, let's see, we got some instructions. We got, I think, the charging cable. And I think it comes with the extra charge. It comes with the charger and an extra one of these. Okay, let's see. Charger. Alright, there it is. Okay, let me set this off to the side. Here we got the actual watch. Let's take a look. Take this thing off. There it is. So this is the Apple Watch Series 3 38mm aluminum case. Looks pretty clean. Let's see. Let's see if I could fire it up. There it is. Turned on. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's a good fit. Wow, perfect fit. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. What do you think? It looks pretty clean. Black on space gray and a black band. This goes tucked in right here on the bottom. Pretty cool. So I'm guessing it's loading up. Looks like you gotta connect it to the charger. Let's see. There it is, guys. Easy as that. You just connect your charger. Tells you it's charging. Okay. So it's asking me to connect my phone. As soon as I'm done, I'll go ahead and start the video up again.